Hello friends, my name is Minu. How much do you eat? Any answer? Ah, you should eat 80% of your hunger. You should eat until your stomach is 80% full. Now you will be wondering how you will measure 80% of your hunger and stomach. It's not a bowl, it's not a measuring cup, it's not a glass you could measure. So, you can do one thing. Whenever you had a feeling, just a feeling that, oh, I'm full, just stop it. Because many a times we have a tendency that we keep eating. Sometimes we have good food around us and we keep eating, even though we feel like, oh, I'm full. Even on top of that, we eat dessert. So don't do that. Why we are talking about this today? You would be wondering suddenly why I'm talking about food and 80% hunger and 80% of stomach full. Why? Why? I'm talking about this because when you do overeating, your body and your body energy involves in digesting those foods, in oxidation of those foods. It have many side effects. Benefits I'm not aware of, but many drawbacks I can tell you. Because of those oxidations, your body cells get deteriorate, because for those oxidations you need more oxygens and more antioxidant to balance that. One thing. Second, if you are too much full, you feel lethargy. You would be feeling like, oh no, I should sleep now. Not good. Third, you would be feeling, I can't do anything now because you're too full. You won't have energy to do anything. So, in our life, in our busy life, or when we have some goal in our life, why to stuck ourselves just to have overeating, or just to eat so much, or just to fill our stomach with so many things at a time? That's a bad idea, no? So what we should do, we should have little amount of everything and we can eat. That can give you more nutritions and that will keep your appetite on check. And while doing that, you will be more active and more focused to your goal. For imagine just you have a deadline to finish your project and you have lunch break and you had eaten so many stuff, you filled yourself with too much. Do you think that you will be actively doing your project work? I'm 100% sure no, you won't be able to do it. You will be like feeling lethargy. No, I should not do it. Oh, how can I finish it? And your work, even though you are not sleeping, your work progress would be, your process would be slowed down. I'm 100% guaranteeing you. That's how it was my experience as well. So that's what I'm saying, that you should focus on what you are eating and how much you are eating. If you have seen any successful people, or you have been around successful people with you, you must have observed they don't eat too much. They don't focus on overeating. They love something, they will have a little amount of it. They don't overeat because they don't want to focus their focus to food. There are much more important things in their life. Why would they focus? Even in the book of Ikigai, they have said that for increasing our longevity, we should eat less, because that will help our cells, body cells, to deteriorate in a slow motion because of those oxidations and other processes. So here it's not just about health issues. I wanted to talk about how your food determine your success process, because your food also have an importance in your life, in your journey of success. So be mindful whenever you are eating food.